I'm Santiago Martinez. I'm a laboratory manager here in Barcelona and also the refrigeration core lead. When I joined in the position of managing the labs in Barcelona, I was surprised. I was asking why we need to use new refrigerant for every test. To me, it was crazy because when we recover this refrigerant and we use new one, we need to send to destroy the old one. We use refrigerant maybe for 3 weeks, and then we need to fill it with new refrigerant. To me was also the pressure of the cost of refrigerant is increasing the cost, sustainability, everything. And then the next question was, okay, what do we can do to avoid this? We started looking for the equipment that could clean the refrigerant because to me something didn't match. I found there's a technology that cleans the refrigerant, and not only cleans, but also they can restore some composition. So then I realized we can clean our refrigerant and we can use it as if it was new. What we do now is we collect this recovered refrigerant into a cylinder. We start filling this cylinder with this reclaimed refrigerant, which is dirty, and when we reach a certain amount, we send it to the supplier. We were doing performance comparisons between new refrigerant and this. They say this is the same. If we talk about circularity, this is complete circularity because you are saving buying new refrigerant. You use your own refrigerant, you buy once. And environmentally wise, our CO2 consumption is much lower. I think it aligns perfectly in terms of challenging what's possible for a sustainable world.